Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the well-being of the children during online classes. As we all know, the children are spending a lot of time online classes these days. So let's see what are the little tips and tricks which the children can follow to keep their well-being and the posture good as well. My name is Anita Shastri. I make educational videos like this. So if you are interested, please subscribe, like and comment, and also share these videos with your family and friends so they can also benefit from these little tips and tricks. So let's begin. As we all know, children are spending a lot of time online classes now. So they don't have so many physical activities nowadays. So they cannot go outside to play in the playground as much as they want to, and they have to sit in one posture all the time. Maybe sometimes they don't even have a proper table or height wise where they can sit. They have to sit on the floor or on the chair, So they have a lot of challenges as well facing during these online classes. But some of the countries have been very fortunate. Like in Norway, we are very fortunate, have been leading a normal life, and the children are going to school as well. And they are also going to the playground. So they have physical movements here. So we have been really very fortunate about it. But in some countries, there are still lockdowns and the children have to do online classes and they don't have physical movements as much as they can. So this video will help them to develop their physical activities as well during these online classes. In between the online classes, they have few minutes. So they can use this time to do these exercises. So let them do some stretching exercises. Maybe they can raise their hand and then bend down to touch their toes and put their hands on the waist and then twist around. So this way that will help their back and the neck as well, and even the shoulders also. And they can also do the exercises like twisting their arms over here and looking onto the left side and the other way. So that will also help the children to actively move their shoulders and their hands as well. So this will help them. And standing in one place and jogging as well, that's also helps them to keep their body movement. So these are little tips and tricks for them to keep moving their body and also keep their posture straight, because nowadays we can see they are sitting on the chair all the time in front of the table. Maybe the table is not according to their height, so they have to bend a lot, or they're sitting on the floor. We don't know, isn't it? So there might be very, very challenging positions for them, and they are bending all the time. So this can be a lot of stress on their shoulders and their neck. So this can damage their posture. So maybe they can stand straight with the shoulders back and the chest forward, and then they can do some exercises like that. And then also the neck exercises where they go in front and then go around as well. So this can also help with their neck movements. And then when in between these classes, they can also go outside and gaze at the sky. Or if you have any greenery, so let them see the greenery for at least 5 minutes in between the classes, because this can help their eyes as well, because they are very, very tiring when they are watching the screen all the time. So this will help them with their eyes, because their eyes are still developing with these children. So, and then the posture as well. So maybe let them walk if you don't have the opportunity to go outside. So maybe they can just walk, keeping their back straight and their shoulder stretched. So they can walk at least for 5 minutes inside the house if you don't have the opportunity to go outside in the balcony or on the terrace. So this will help the children to just get distracted a little bit and also keep their body active and moving, because children are not supposed to be sitting in one place more than 15 to 20 minutes. I'm talking about the very little ones, and the older ones maybe half an hour or 45 minutes. So this will be helpful for them, and they can also concentrate later when they come back to the online classes. And in between, let them drink lots of water as well. So this will also help them with concentrating and then concentration and focusing as well. So at the end of the class, maybe they can do some rub their hands like that, and then when it's warm they can keep it on their eyes. So this will also help their eyes because they are very tired. So let them do all these little tips and tricks in between the classes, and maybe it's a good idea to feed them something healthy, fruits or vegetables in between the classes, like snacks. So this will also help them, and not unhealthy food, because this is not really going to help them, as they don't have so much physical activities to burn them all the food they are going to eat. So light snacks like fruits and vegetables are really good for them. So all these little tips and tricks might help them, and for the parents as well, if they are very little children. So maybe you can do these exercises with them and take them out in the balcony or outside the house and talk about the trees or the sky, look at the clouds, you know, just to distract them from being online all the time in front of the computer. And after the classes also, if it is possible, let them turn off their mobile and the computer and read a book instead, or just no television. So all these things, you know, which helps them to rest their eyes and their mind as well. Just looking at the blue screen all the time, it's not good for them. So this is what I have told my children as well to do, because they are also doing online classes now, and my son is working all the time at home. So this helps them. So I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you would like to know something else about my well-being of the children. So thank you so very much for watching the video. Please like, comment and share these tips and tricks with your family and friends. Thank you.